Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make seam and potato sabji. I have taken seam, you can see flat beans. I have taken 250 grams, cut up this size, and 4 small potatoes cut up this size. While making the recipe, I will show you the ingredients. So, come on, let us start the recipe. If you like my channel, if you're new to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, share. So, come on, let us start. Put some mustard oil. Put some panch phoran. First I will fry the seam and the potatoes and then take it out. I will half fry the seam and the potato. The seam and the potato is half cooked. Now I will take it out. I will put in some more oil, little bit mustard oil. Put in the onions. I have sliced up one onion. Fry the onion till golden brown. I have cut up one medium sized tomato. Put this in. Tomatoes are fried up. Put 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. Put some saffron. Put slight water. The ginger garlic paste won't get burnt. Put in the fried seam and potato. Mix it well. Keep the flame little low. Put 1 spoon chili powder. Half teaspoon jeera powder. Half teaspoon dhania powder. Put some salt to taste. Put some water. Not much water, little bit water. Till the potato cooks. Put the flame high. Put the coriander leaves and cover it up till it cooks dry. sheem and potato sabji is ready. Dry sabji. Very tasty to eat with chapatis and paratha. Thank you for watching my video.